Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the three-terminal brain, a new neurocosmic frontier. Ladies and gentlemen, among all marvels of the human body, the brain remains the least understood, not just in structure but in a sense. Beneath its folds lies not merely cognition but perhaps a deeper blueprint of creation itself. Could the brain be more than a processor of sensory input? Might it serve as a three-terminal receiver dynamically linked to divine cosmic intelligence, capable of harnessing energies beyond biochemical signals? A new vision of neuroscience emerges, one that sees the brain as an energetic epicenter where cosmos, consciousness, and corporeality converge. Let's look at Terminal 1, the cosmic interface. Associated with the pineal gland, this terminal may function as a conscious antenna, receiving, amplifying, and transmitting signals from the field of divine cosmic intelligence. Ancient Indian wisdom recognized this as the Ajna Chakra or third eye, linked with intuitive insight and universal alignment. Emotions like devotion, gratitude, and focused intent act as tuning mechanisms, unlocking access to this subtle gateway. Though elusive to measurement, quantum biology and non-local field theories increasingly suggest that the brain may interact with information fields beyond space and time. Let's look at Terminal 2, the worldly interface. Centered in the prefrontal cortex, this terminal governs perception, judgment, and memory integration. It interprets sensory input not as the world as it is, but as it is experienced, filtered through emotion, belief, and context. Neuroscience labels this bias. Quantum mechanics speaks of this as observer effect. When tuned by higher awareness, this terminal moves from distortion to discernment, becoming an instrument of clarity rather than reaction. Let's look at Terminal 3, the body interface. Located in regions such as the motor cortex and cerebellum, this terminal translates neural instructions into action, governing movement, speech, autonomic rhythms, and physiological response. But it also transmits feedback, breath, posture, and somatic memory, reshape inner states in return. The loop is reciprocal. Body informs mind as much as mind drives body. Across all three terminals, the common thread is emotional energy, not just psychological residue, but perhaps the carrier wave of intelligence itself. What's the way forward? If neuroscience embraces this triadic model, a profound shift in understanding human behavior could unfold. The first terminal, when activated through silence, devotion, and conscious intent, opens a two-way dialogue with cosmic intelligence. Emotional energies such as reverence and surrender act as energetic activators, enabling the brain to receive guidance, strength, and healing. The second terminal, freed from distortion, interprets experience with deeper insight. The third terminal, guided by alignment, translates intention into constructive action. Incorporating quantum principles and revisiting traditional knowledge systems may reveal how emotional energy, when attuned to cosmic fields, brings transformation in self, behavior, and society. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the brain is not merely confined within the skull. It is a living field, a tri-terminal structure through which the individual aligns with the infinite. It receives from the cosmos, processes through awareness, and expresses through action. Among all forces, emotional energy is the key, capable of generating inner coherence, accessing higher wisdom, and transforming human potential. When terminal 1 aligns with divine flow, terminal 2 interprets with clarity, and terminal 3 acts with mindfulness. A human being becomes not a product of reaction, but a transmitter of harmony and conscious evolution. As Lord Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, in this world there is nothing so purifying as true knowledge. The one perfected in yoga realizes this within the self in due time. Within this architecture of the brain may lie the passage from biology to divinity. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.